In this video, we are going to study about moments. The nth moment about any point A denoted by mu r dash of a frequency distribution is defined by mu r dash is equal to summation over I fi into xi minus a power r divided by n, where n is equal to summation over I fi, which is the sum of the frequencies. The nth moment about the arithmetic mean x bar of a frequency distribution is defined by mu r is equal to summation over I fi into xi minus x bar power r divided by n, where n is equal to summation over I fi. Mu r is also called the nth central moment. Here we see one example. Calculate the first 4 central moments from the following data. The x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the corresponding frequencies are 5, 15, 17, 25, 19, 14 and 5. Here we have to calculate the values of mu1, mu2, mu3 and mu4. The nth central moment mu r is summation over I fi into xi minus x bar power r divided by n. n is equal to summation over I fi, that is the sum of the frequencies 5 plus 15 plus 17 plus 25 plus 19 plus 14 plus 5, which is 100. Next we have to calculate the value of the arithmetic mean x bar, which is equal to summation over I fi into xi divided by n. For the numerator, we have to multiply the value of xi with the corresponding frequency fi and adding all the terms, that is 5 into 0 plus 15 into 1 plus 17 into 2 plus 25 into 3 plus 19 into 4 plus 14 into 5 plus 5 into 6, which is 300, divided by the n value is 100, which is equal to 3. So, the value of x bar is 3. Now, let ui be equal to xi minus x bar. Then the formula becomes mu r is equal to summation over I fi into xi minus x bar power r divided by n is equal to summation over I fi into ui power r divided by n. Now, we form a table. In the first column, we write the values of xi, which is given in the problem 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, we have to write the values of ui. ui is equal to xi minus x bar, which is equal to xi minus 3. In the first row, the value of xi is 0. So, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. In the second row, the value of xi is 1. So, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Similarly, the other entries in that column. Next, we write the values of fi in the next column, which is given in the problem. In the next column, we have to find fi into ui. For that, we have to multiply the entries of the second and third columns, that is fi in the third column in the first row is 5 and second column the value of ui is minus 3. So, 5 into minus 3 gives minus 15. In the second row, the value of fi is 15 and the value of ui is minus 2. So, 15 into minus 2, that is minus 30. Similarly, the other entries in the column fi into ui. In the next column, we have to write fi into ui square. For that, we have to square the values of ui and multiply together with their corresponding frequencies. In the first row, the value of ui is minus 3. Squaring, we get 9 into the corresponding frequency 5 gives 45. In the second row, the value of ui is minus 2. Squaring, we get 4 into the corresponding frequency 15 gives 60. Similarly, the other entries in that column. In the next column, we have to write the values of fi into ui cube. For that, we have to cube the values of ui and multiply together with their corresponding frequency. In the first row, the value of ui is -3, cubing we get -27. Into the corresponding frequency 5 gives -135. Similarly, in the second row, the value of ui is -2, cubing we get -8. Into the corresponding frequency 15 gives -120. Similarly, the other entries in that column. In the next column, we write the values of fi into ui power 4. For that, we have to raise the power for ui and multiply together with their corresponding frequency. In the first row, the value of ui is -3 power 4 gives -3 power 4 gives 81. 81 into 5 is 405. Similarly, in the second row, the value of ui is -2. So, -2 power 4 means 16. 16 into 15 gives 240. Similarly, the other entries in that column. Next, we add all the columns fi into ui and fi into ui square, fi into ui cube, fi into ui power 4 and write in the last row. That is, the summation of fi is 100, summation over I fi ui is 0, summation over I fi ui square is 242, summation over I fi ui cube is -6 and summation over I fi ui power 4 is 1310. Now, in the formula, we have to put r is equal to 1. So, mu1 is equal to summation over I fi ui by n, which is equal to 0. From the table, summation over I fi ui is 0. So, mu1 is 0. Next, putting r equal to 2 in the formula, we get summation of mu2 is equal to summation over I fi ui squared by n, which is equal to 242 divided by 100, which is 2.42. Similarly, putting r equal to 3 in the formula, we have mu3 is equal to summation over I fi ui cube by n, which is equal to -6 by 100, which is equal to -0.06. Similarly, putting r equal to 4, we get mu4 is equal to summation over I fi ui power 4 by n, which is equal to 1310 by 100, which is 13.1. Hence, the first four central moments are mu1 is equal to 0, mu2 is equal to 2.42, mu3 is equal to -0.06 and mu4 is equal to 13.1. Thank you.